Winter, using your intuition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you want to choose? 1, 2, 3, 4. Final 5. Alright, everybody palakpakan natin si Winter. She chose what number? She chose 6. Then she chose 5. Frozen. Frozen, tama? Frozen, everybody clap your hands for my friend Winter. I have a prediction, di ba? Can you please check the prediction? You were holding that bago sa namili ng card. Can you see what's the prediction here? It's Frozen! Clap your hands! Can you see? What is inside? Inside the CD is a card. Can you check the card? Where's that card? Is this your chosen card? The chosen card with your signature appeared in a very impossible location.